How to download Dev C++ app. Want to start coding in C++ without the hassle? Let's get Dev C++ on your system the right way. First, open your browser and type in Dev C++ download. Here you can see many websites. Tap on the official one. Once you tap on it, you'll see many download options. Choose the one you prefer or according to your system requirements. Once you tap on it, an installer will begin to download. Once the file is downloaded, tap on it and begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts and instructions and tap on install. If you are using Windows and run into errors later, try running Dev C++ in compatibility mode or as an administrator. Did you got stuck on a weird pop-up or download issue? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.